Welcome back to another episode of Amazing Kitchen. So, the holiday season is here again and Christmas is right around the corner. Every year I do a turkey or ham or something similar, but this year I say why not do something a little different. My friend from Australia who lives in Sydney came over to visit and she brought with her a lot of cherries, farm fresh organic cherries. So, these are the cherries. Look how beautiful they are. I mean, they're heart-shaped even. So, they are very juicy and sweet. I thought it tastes so great, just so, but what if I can make a dish with this? It would be even nicer. So I dug in my fridge and I found some lamb chops. So I say lamb chops with some cherry sauce. How good would that be? Oh, just thinking about it makes my mouth water. Alright, so let's start. Let's get into it. Start with 1 kilogram of lamb chops, washed and dried, then lay it out on a flat surface like a chopping board. Make sure they don't overlap. Now once that's complete, pat dry with some paper towel to remove any excess moisture or blood. Then sprinkle on some salt with some freshly grounded black pepper and rosemary for added flavor. Flip the lamb chops and repeat the process on the other side. Place the lamb chops in a Ziploc bag on a level plane without overlapping. This step is very crucial for even cooking. So the lamb chops must be at room temperature. Make sure it's not frozen. Now once that's complete, submerge it in some water to remove any excess air inside the bag. Make sure the water does not get in. Then slowly seal the top. Perfectly sealed, as you can see. This is beautiful. Without a vacuum machine, this is good enough. Now set the sous vide machine to 145.5 degrees Fahrenheit. Let it come up to temperature. Once water is at 145.5 degrees, drop the bags of lamb chops in the water, fully submerge and hold down with a clip. Now let cook for 1 hour, then remove. Now cut 3 large potatoes into small bite-sized chunks and return it into the original bowl. Getting a small pot, add the potatoes in and fill with water to cover potatoes. Boil for 15 minutes under high heat. Now for the cherry, remove the pit and the stem. Start by cutting it and removing the pit by hand or spoon. Complete, add it to another clean pot and fill 1 cup of water. Add 1.5 tablespoons of honey and mix well. This will add a lot of sweetness and help it caramelize. So we bring it up to a boil and turn down the heat and let it reduce. Our mashed potato is ready. We add 1 tablespoon of butter, salt and pepper to taste, and a 1/4 cup of milk to add some creaminess to this mixture. potato masher, grate potato and mix into a smooth consistency. Then taste and adjust with salt and pepper to liking. Cut some chives and add into this mixture. Mix thoroughly and set aside. Now that the lamb chops are out of the sous vide machine, make sure it's cool for about 10 minutes before removing it. Now lay it out on a plate. And we pour the excess juice into a container, and this will be used for making our sauce. Cherry has reduced nicely into a syrup consistency. This is perfect. Now on a hot skillet, we add some avocado oil so we can sear our lamb chops for 2 minutes. Adjust according to the size of the lamb chops. Then flip and repeat the process again on the other side. Now once complete, remove and set aside cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now using the same hot skillet, we add the lamb juice and pour in the cherry syrup and mix well and bring it up to heat. Once up to heat, we add 1 tablespoon butter and whisk it in slowly until butter is incorporated into the sauce. This will add a lot of creaminess and flavor to this. No other seasoning is required. Once all ingredients are cool, begin plating with some mashed potato and vegetable. Spread some sauce at the bottom of the plate, then lay lamb chops over. Sprinkle more cherry sauce over the lamb chops for final presentation and taste. Amazing. Here's the dish. It's all complete and nice. What do you think of this? I have my broccoli. Let's start with the broccoli. Just good. Now my lamb chops. Get into the meat area with the sauce. Wow. It's just good. With sous vide, just make the lamb chop just right. Nice and moist. It won't be too dry because the temperature is the key and the time. Then the sauce over this is just perfect. Now let's try some of that mash. Wow. Just light, buttery, with that chive, perfect. Perfect, perfect. I mean, this will make a nice holiday dish. Whether you're gonna have it alone, with your family, with your friends, doesn't matter, but this is good for all occasions. Let me have some more of that mash. Wow. This is just amazing. So I'm gonna go finish this. If you like what you see today, make sure you subscribe. And if lamb is not something that you plan to cook for Christmas, but no problem. I'll leave a link to our turkey recipe. That is also very good for this Christmas season. Okay, so until next time, bye now.